Hey everybody, I'm Ines Wong, and in today's video for my series of Book for Tot, we're going to talk about this book, Megalophilia. So, judging by the title, I am guessing it's a love for all things huge, and sure enough, this is what this book is all about. I bought this when I was on a trip to Japan in a Kinokuniya store, and I do not regret it one bit. If you are an animal lover like I am, you will love this book. It's full of world building, imagery, and cute, fun sceneries that can inspire you to try things out. I never thought I would be drawing giant animals, but after looking at this, it inspired me to try out my 2020 Christmas card. So, let's take a peek what's inside. Right off the bat, I gotta say, I love the cover. It's so powerful. There's like a lot of things going on here, but it doesn't take away from the main focus of it. You know, right off the bat, you can see there is a giant cat here, and you have like these humans here for scale. And you know, it looks like in a very apocalyptic situation, and then the title Megalophilia. It's really beautiful, and there's a lot of pointers to take away from this. So let's take a look, shall we? So one thing to note about the book, it kind of comes in themes. So there is some here that says in daydream, for example, but then I can't really read the rest. It's all in Japanese. But for this one, for example, it's like daydream. And it comes in themes. So you have like this blonde boy and this blonde girl. And there's this like little adventurer that's tagging along among really huge animals. So you can see over here. And then, you know, it's kind of like telling of the stories as they go on their spectacular adventure, which is so otherworldly, so surreal. It is amazing. You can see a lot of this going on. And then another theme will be like, for example, blessing. You can see that the tree adventurers are no longer around, but it had some sort of theme to it. It is all so beautiful and so adorable. It's very amazing for finding inspiration. Just the atmosphere, the creatures, human interaction, and also the, well, world building in a way, because you can see there are like buildings going on, stuff like that. It can be post-apocalyptic, whatnot. And then we have idleness as well. So there's so much inspiration to catch in this book. The beauty, the execution is so good. I really love this book. It's one of my, I guess I would say it's one of my best buys. And if you're into all this, then this book is definitely for you. So the atmosphere and everything, it's just beautiful. I can't say that word enough. The colors, and I just love how some are very muted in colors, whereas others are super vibrant. It's very variant. So, yeah. Oops. So there's like a little bit of a tutorial here, but I can't, well, again, it's in Japanese, I can't really read. I can Google Translate, but it's just like a quick one. I suppose these are kind of like his sketches to, you know, to make the scene. And in the end, like, here are a few different sketches, but he chose this one in the end, and you can see this is how he starts rendering it, shading it, giving it life. So there's also like an interview section, and here are some of his works. And yeah, that's it. It's beautiful work. I really love it. So this is a very short review because A, it's an art book. What's not to love? B, it's in Japanese. There is a short tutorial section at the end
but I unfortunately could not understand what it means, but I usually buy art books for the imagery and not for reading. It makes for a cute coffee table book and one I would certainly like to share with my artist friends to gather inspiration. That's all for today. If you like my videos, it will help a lot if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to friends who you may think may be interested in this. I share videos, tutorials, and photo references for free for artists to use. So if you'd like to support me to help make all of this sustainable, you can do so by pledging over at Patreon. You can also join my Discord server as I am trying to create a more wholesome community, and you can also get notified when I go live on Twitch. All the links are down in the video description. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!